Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Courtney with Doodle Dollars, and today we are doing our scratch and save binder. We have some scratch offs, we have some roll and save challenges in here, kind of a variety. So we're gonna get started with this one. This one is by Emilie Design. It is a scary one because it's big numbers and I only have $60, and look there, half of it goes. Okay, but that's okay. All right, so we need 33, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, I have a 10. And 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, that was a big one. This one saves like $300. So I've been doing it for several months. I emptied out this binder at the end of February, and we still have a ways to go. All right, this one has nicer numbers. Thank you, Vicki. This one is by Vicki Thinks. And we are saving $4 with Vicki today. Awesome. 1, 2, 3, 4. So in this challenge, we currently have $9. All right, next, moving on to What's Poppin' Sunshine and her Winnie the Pooh challenge. Let's see. Let's roll and see where we're going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. Okay. 5, 6. All right, I'm gonna actually grab a 20 from here to condense a little bit as I go. So we have 21 in here now. Okay, next we have this one by Plan and Paper Designs, our little stickers here. Let's do pickle and vinegar for $4. There we go. Let's grab 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I think we have 5, 10, 20. Do I have another 20 over here? I do. All right, so we will have 20 in here now. Okay, next we have this one by Craftco Budgets. 1, 2, 3. Okay, we're saving $5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, we're running out of money already, guys. So we have 5, 6, 7, 8 for this challenge so far. Okay, next we have this one, You're So Sweet. This one is one of mine. I'm just gonna scratch this one. All right, $2, nice. This one only saves 30, so it's nice, easy numbers here. And we have 10, 11, 12, 13. This one is no longer available in my Etsy store, but I do have other challenges, other scratch offs that are available now. All right, this one is by Valentine Designs. Ah, my scratch offs thingy dropped. Let me just use this penny. What is that? 1, perfect. Okay, yay. We have $3 in here now. I'll have all these challenges linked below so you can go grab them if you would like. All right, with Dawn at Dawn Sunrise Budgeting, let's save $1 right here. Since we have limited funds this week, sometimes we have more, just depends on what we get with our I budget like $100 for both of my debt binders, and then any extra that I get from my side hustles usually goes in here, but since I'm doing March Madness, I am putting all my extra stuff into March Madness right now. So let's do 1 for this as well. And we have 6 in here now. This one is by April's Fresh Start, by the way. Then we have Vicki Thinks. Let's do this one for Vicki as well. Low numbers this week, guys, but that's okay. We're still saving money. All right. Okay, then we have this Easter one. This one is by me, and it is a mystery savings. Oh, look, $1. Perfect. How lucky am I All right, so we have 1, 2, 3 in here so far. Okay, then we have this one. Sorry, I can't. I have plans with my cat. We only have $1, so let's hope we don't get an IOU. Oh my goodness. I think Lils calls this a slam dunk. Look at that. We have $1 left and $1 going in here, and that is all of our monies. How perfect. Okay. So I do have a couple new challenges that I added to the back here. So we will start those next time. And I'm just going to add a paper clip to this so that I remember to start here next time. All right, there we go. And that is it for this Scratch and Save Wednesday debt binder. I hope you guys have a great Wednesday. Whenever you're watching this, I hope it's a good day for you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.